Hi, I'm Matthew Haviland with the prompt team at Keller Williams Realty Atlantic Shore, and today we're in beautiful Somers Point, New Jersey, touring one of the area's most desirable new construction communities, the Links at Greate Bay by Ryan Homes. If you've been looking for modern, low-maintenance living near the beach, you're really gonna love this neighborhood. Just minutes from Ocean City and offers beautiful new townhomes and villas, including the Bethany Villa, which features first floor living and a main level owner suite, making it an ideal choice for seniors, downsizers, or anyone seeking convenience and comfort by the shore. We'll also explore the Strauss model, a spacious multi-level home with plenty of room for family and guests. And I'll show you why the Links at Greate Bay is the perfect blend of lifestyle, location, and luxury.
Come find your freedom where the shore winds sing. First floor living, it's a beautiful thing. From the Bethany Villa to the Strauss with space, you'll find your story in this perfect place. Luxury living where the sea breeze links. Call me friend, I'll see you at the Links. At the Links. Yeah.
Welcome to the Links at Greate Bay, a thoughtfully designed townhome community by Ryan Homes, located right beside the prestigious Greate Bay Country Club. Here, you'll find beautifully crafted townhomes with open layouts, attached garages, and high-end finishes, all surrounded by professional landscaping and elegant coastal architecture. Best of all, it's a maintenance-free lifestyle. Your lawn care and exterior upkeep are handled for you, so you can spend more time enjoying the shore and less time doing chores. This location truly shines. You're 5 minutes from Ocean City's beaches and boardwalk, around the corner from Greate Bay Country Club, close to Somers Point's best restaurants like the Crab Trap, Josie Kelly's, and the Point Tiki Bar. A quick drive to the Garden State Parkway for easy trips to Atlantic City, Cape May, and beyond. It's shore living without the island congestion or price tag, and it's easy to see why so many buyers are choosing Somers Point. Life at the Links is all about relaxation and recreation. You can join the Greate Bay Country Club next door and enjoy easy access to a championship golf course, tennis and pickleball courts, a fitness center and social clubhouse, and fine dining and events year-round. And to that, you can add nearby bayfront parks, marinas, and beaches, and you've got everything you need to live your best coastal lifestyle. Let's start with the Bethany Villa, a home designed for first floor living and effortless comfort. The Bethany features a main level owner suite, laundry, and open concept living space, making it a perfect fit for seniors, empty nesters, or anyone who values single level convenience. The kitchen, dining, and living areas flow beautifully together, ideal for both relaxing and entertaining. Upstairs, you'll find additional bedrooms and a loft, perfect for visiting guests or family. It's the ideal home for anyone who wants modern style and comfort without stairs being a daily concern, whether this is your primary home or your shore retreat. So welcome into the Bethany model, and this is what they're calling a villa home. The awesome thing about this, all the living area is on the first floor. So everything on one level here in the Bethany model. There are going to be 168 homes when this is fully completed here. Phase 1 right now. So a lot of incentives being offered right now, including if you use their mortgage company, they'll actually pay your full HOA fees for 1 year. You've got access to a social membership at the Greate Bay Country Club for 1 year and 3 months membership at the fitness center. So some nice incentives if you buy now. So as you come in the Bethany model, we have the 1-car garage right off here, our steps going upstairs, dining area right here. And this is a very open concept, which is great. We have a kitchen, open air. I'll come back and really dive into the kitchen here in a moment. We have this great room, or family room, you want to call this, very open concept all the way through to the back of the home. The nice thing about these villa models is that these back up to the golf course. So you've got some incredible views of the Greate Bay Country Club, and just nice not to have anybody right behind you. Beautiful views out here. A lot of natural light with these windows, and you have a great patio out here as well. So outside the Bethany model, on the patio here, and as you can see, we are right on the golf course, the cart path running right by the backyard here. And from this model, we've got some great views. I can see the creek there just beyond the parkway, and it is really beautiful out here. So welcome back into the villa here, the Bethany model. And let's talk a little bit about the kitchen here. We have a giant island here. We've got a beautiful countertop, room for 4 stools here. There is a half bathroom right here off of the kitchen, pantry area as well. Beautiful white cabinetry, 42 inch. I even like this kind of a subway style backsplash here. You've got stainless appliances, pantry area here, your dishwasher, deep sink. And the nice thing about this is just very open concept. So if you're looking for open concept, you're really gonna love this layout. And as we come back to the family room, one thing I didn't mention at first here is we have this huge cathedral ceiling here. This ceiling goes all the way up to the second level, to the loft area. And even here we have a very high ceiling. So it just feels very spacious, very bright, very homey here with this layout of the Bethany. Very nicely done. And I think the big appealing factor to this Bethany model is that you have the owner suite right here on the first floor. There's a stackable washer and dryer right here, coat closet here, and then we go straight into the owner's bedroom. So the owner's bedroom is right here at the back of the house. We have the tray ceilings here. We have a full bathroom right here off the bedroom. And this has dual vanities and a step-in shower and then a huge walk-in closet as you go right through the bathroom. They did a good job with the model home here with the golf theming. We've got the golf decor. We are right on the Greate Bay Country Club. We have a loft area over on the second floor here. We can look right down to the great room there. 2 bedrooms, another full bathroom, and there's a utility room up here that has also a lot of storage space, which is always nice to have extra storage space. Buying new construction is exciting, and it's also a little different from buying resale. Builders have their own contracts, upgrades, and incentives, and it's important to have someone on your side. As your new construction specialist, I'll help you understand what's included and what's an upgrade, compare builder incentives and financing options, protect your best interest throughout the process, and guide you from your first visit all the way to closing day. And remember, my services are completely free to you. The builder compensates me, so you get expert guidance at no extra cost. Remember, before you visit the model home or register with the builder, give me a call first and I'll help you get the most value and the smoothest buying experience possible. Next, let's meet the Strauss model, offering 4 levels of flexible living space, perfect for families or those who want extra room for hobbies, guests, or home office. The Strauss features a gourmet kitchen with a large center island, an open living and dining area, and a private deck for enjoying morning coffee or evening sunsets. Upstairs, you'll find a spacious owner suite with a walk-in closet and a private bath, plus 2 additional bedrooms and a hall bath. The lower level can serve as a family room, office, gym, or recreational area with optional walkout access. It's an excellent, elegant, functional layout that gives you space to spread out and live comfortably. So welcome in to the Strauss model here. And this is a townhome style home here. We've got a half bathroom right here. This area right here is the garage. As we come back through this section, we've got all the mechanicals back in here. And it opens up to this huge family room space. You have an option to make this into a bedroom if you wanted to have a bedroom here on the first floor. You've got the door going right out to the back patio. So great use of the space here. Let's go up to the next level. All right, so welcome up to the level 2 here of the Strauss model. And one thing I love about this is you come up here and it's all completely open. You can see natural light on both sides. This is an end unit, so you have the extra window here. Beautiful living room space here. Lots of natural light. You have the steps going up to the next level right here. And as you walk through here, we have another little seating area here, the way they have this staged here. You could even put a small table here if you wanted to. You've got the huge island, room for plenty of stools here, and then a dining area here in the back. Now let's jump into the kitchen here. So lots of cabinet space and lots of counter space as you see with this model home here. And have a kind of like a butler pantry area over here. We have a pantry closet here. This huge island. We've got the dishwasher here, the sink, deep sink here. Stainless appliances, 42-inch cabinets, really a beautiful space. This is a nice functional kitchen, and again, very open. You know, if you want to do entertaining, very easy to cook, entertain, plenty of room to put food out. So great use of the space here. I love the openness. It's very open in this area. Now, you also have a French door going right out to a patio back here, a porch back here. In this case, there's kind of a drainage pond here, so we don't really have a golf course view, but just a nice space, outdoor space to dine or entertain out here as well. Now I'm outside here on the second floor deck. If you look way in the distance over there, we can kind of see some traffic moving from the parkway, and we do see the bay and the creek right out there. So you actually have a water view right now at this time. However, there will be another row of homes going in there, so you probably won't have that view once all those are completed. All right, now I'm up at level number 3. There is one more floor above us still, so 4 stories in these townhomes. What we have here is the bedroom area. So we have 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 2 smaller bedrooms towards the front of the house, and then the larger owner suite in the back. We also have a laundry room right here on the 3rd floor, right next to the bedrooms, which is convenient. This is a good spot for it. So at the back of the house, we have a very spacious owner suite, walk-in closet here, and full owner suite bathroom. We are on the 4th floor. This one they have set up currently as a 4th bedroom. So really you have 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms in the way this model home is laid up. You've got another full bathroom here with a shower, you've got your closet, and a 4th floor deck here, which is pretty awesome. I'll show you that in a minute. So now I'm up on the 4th floor, and this upper deck is awesome, and the views are incredible. I can actually look right out here and see the bay, the bridge going into Upper Township in the distance there. Right behind me here, we have the creek leading out to the bay, the parkway. Really just an awesome view right now up here on this 4th level. So this will be a great space just to hang out if you're here in the summertime. It is a little chilly today, but love this 4th floor deck. So out here in front of the Strauss model, and we have parking for 2 cars at least here in the driveway. We have the 1-car garage and a really nice look from the outside of these buildings. The stone front, the black accents. I love the look here. It's very, very sharp, very sharp. Okay, so we're outside. It's a little windy today, but this is phase 1 of the community. These are the villas, which have the 1-level living right here, the 4-story townhomes over here, a whole new section over here. Phase 2 is this way closer to the parkway, and then phase 3 to be built will be by the driving range of the Greate Bay Golf Course. So you're probably wondering how much these homes cost. So right now, current pricing, they're offering some incentives on these, especially these models right here that are the 4-story model, $499,000. So that price subject to change. That's probably going to go up as we get into the summer and get into the warmer weather. There's more people down at the shore. Right now, under $500,000 for these homes. The villas are more expensive, but priced pretty well for what you get here. But thanks for joining me on this tour of the Links at Greate Bay by Ryan Homes here in Somers Point, New Jersey. If you would like to schedule a private showing of the Bethany or Strauss models or learn more about available homes and builder incentives, contact me at 609-338-3773, or you can visit promptagents.com/YouTube. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more new construction tours and Jersey Shore real estate updates. I'm Matthew Haviland with the Prompt team at Keller Williams Realty Atlantic Shore, helping you find your next chapter at the Jersey Shore. And if you're looking for a new home, you may also want to check out these new construction homes located in Egg Harbor Township.